topic of today's video is your favorite language exam called TOEFL, and I will remind you that you need TOEFL in order to study in US or Canada. Today I wanted to talk about speaking part. The recent changes to the exam that started in August 2019. When you are talking about speaking and writing, you just need to check everything yourself. You just need to check what mistakes you are doing, or you would need to hire somebody to check and to give you feedbacks. And the good news is TOEFL test is now shorter. So they shortened it from 3.5 hours to 3 hours. And the reason behind that, there are less people who are taking TOEFL these days. And there are several reasons, I think, behind the fact. Because, for example, British immigration system no longer accept TOEFL in order to get British student visa. Because there was a lots of fraud around the exam. But American system, Canadian system are perfectly fine with your TOEFL test. So TOEFL is now easier, but there are many changes. Speaking now consists only of 4 parts. First is personal choice, second is campus announcement, third is general to specific, fourth is academic lecture. Let's start with the first part, personal choice questions. This question, either 2 options about a thing, or you will be given advantage or disadvantage about thing. And your task here is to choose whatever suits you personally and talk about what you have chosen something. So first, you need to start your point. You can say, I agree, I disagree with the idea. Or you can say, in my opinion, this idea is better. Just learn one template for each question. You say, I agree, I disagree with the first opinion. Then you go into arguing why you agree with it. And the transaction is, I feel this way for several reasons. So what you need to learn again, and whatever you choose from here, in my opinion, the idea number 1 is better. Then name the idea number 1. I feel this way for several reasons. That's it. And then easy. First reason, example. Second reason, example. The last but not the least, here you can finish with something. If you wanna finish, you can say, this is why I think so. We learn 4 phrases for this part. For example, I believe that cars are better than airplanes. I feel this way for several reasons. First reason, I enjoy the view. Second reason, I spent less money. So this is why I think so. That's it. Another quick tip from me, if you heard something for the first time, if you're like, oh, I remember this amazing phrase, amazing word that might sound very American, I want to use that word for the first time, don't do that during exam. Only use phrases that you are 100% sure. Don't try to be sophisticated without understanding what's going on. Okay? So here we are completed with the first question of speaking session, that is personal choice questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.